Hey guys, how's it going? I'm just going to give an update about what I'm doing for my hair, any new techniques I've been using. It's been a while since I've made a hair video or a update on my progress in stopping or reversing hair loss. So I'm just going to go over all the techniques I use presently. So I actually deleted a couple of my videos about the eye restore because I thought that it really wasn't helping my hair much, and it was just kind of a waste of time, and it looked weird and it was a burden to do every 2 days. I needed to have electricity access and I couldn't travel so easily with it. So I stopped using it for a week, and after a week I noticed a lot of hair fall, so a lot of hair loss. So I started using it again, and actually I have noticed that it does keep my hair. I just wanted to stop using it for a week to see what would happen, and I started to lose hair very quick. So it actually does work pretty well. And so I'm going to continue using it. It's been about 10 months, and I think it actually does make a big impact on keeping my hair. I'm not so thinking about how much it grows my hair, if at all, but it helps me keep my hair a little bit better. So I'm going to continue to use the low-level laser therapy with eye restore device. I also use the bamboo brush to comb my hair like this. I've demonstrated many times, but I just use it and I comb it back, and the bamboo bristles are penetrating the scalp, stimulating the scalp tissue. Just do it gently every day, maybe a minute. You don't need to do too much because you might tear out some of your hair. I also use this Thai massage stick, which is used for foot massage or hand massage. It's just like a pressure point. It's a simple piece of wood you can buy online, and I use the soft end. If you want to use the pointed end, you can, and just go to the area of your scalp that's hardened and thickened, where you have the balding, because a thick and hard scalp is an inflamed scalp, and that's what causes balding. You can read all about it in Detumescence therapy, but this is a form of detumescence therapy by using a pressure point and just pushing into the scalp, making these circles like this. And maybe I'll make these circles for like 1 or 2 minutes, and after some time you're going to notice there's going to be a hole, an indent in the scalp where you're doing it, and you're compressing the hardened tissue, you're softening it, and you're making the blood circulate again. So you can see this little hole there maybe. So if that's just after 30 seconds, so if you do this for like a minute in that one spot and then change to the next spot and change to the next spot, maybe in the back of your head if you need it, you're going to be softening that hardened scalp tissue, which will promote blood circulation and bring oxygen back into the balding areas. This isn't going to really regrow your hair like crazily fast or at all, but it's going to help prevent inflammation in thick scalp, which is a problem when it comes to hair loss. I've also started using a Derma roller about 1 month ago. This is a 1 millimeter Derma roller, and I use it once every 2 weeks. It was suggested by some people in my YouTube channel comment section, so I just bought it for like $30, really cheap, and I've started using it. I did notice last time I had a little bit of hair fall after my last session, so I'm thinking maybe 1 millimeter is too deep for me. If you have any ideas or comments about that, please let me know. And I also use this jojoba oil. I don't shampoo my hair with any normal shampoo. And if I do shampoo my hair, I do maybe once a month, and I use 100% organic African black soap solution, which I use a little bit of this African black soap, a lot of water, some other carrier oils. It's a very strong soap, and I use it maybe once a month. My scalp is already quite dry, so I don't need to be putting shampoo and conditioner in it every other day. It just does more harm than good. So I use jojoba oil once every 3 days, and that keeps my scalp and my hair nice and moist and shiny. So that's about it. That's about all I've been doing. One last thing I'd like to add, when I use the eye restore laser, I also listen to a Sapien Medicine audio track, which I'll link below. There's a channel called Sapien Medicine. Another YouTuber commented on one of my videos saying you should try Sapien Medicine because the frequency helps stimulate hair growth in this specific audio file. So while I'm doing the laser, I also listen to Sapien Medicine. And that's about that. I don't use finasteride. I don't use minoxidil. I don't use any chemical synthetic things. And I'm very much against those things because I've read a lot of research about the effects. I mean, some people it doesn't bother them much at all, but many people it does bother them, and I don't want to be in that category because I consider myself pretty sensitive to substances anyways. So I'm not going to take the risk. I'm going to continue on this natural approach. So if you have any other ideas for natural hair loss, natural hair loss remedies, hair growth techniques such as this, please comment, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.